guys, let's talk about excellence. It's not something we settle for, not in farming, and certainly not in life.
This is a watermelon. It looks nice, right? But what happens when you settle for average?
You get average results like this. Just like that watermelon, you can't grow excellence with anything less than top quality care. At Ophelia's Bluevine Farm, we don't smash things for fun. We smash expectations by growing only the best, highest quality, freshest herbs and produce. And just like Miss Ophelia raised champions, we're raising the bar on what fresh herbs and produce should be. We don't do things halfway, we do it with hustle. Just like Damon John, who turned a $40 budget into a $60 billion empire. Now, we're here for the green empire, and we need your help. Help us smash the competition and bring excellence to Kansas City. Let's grow something amazing.